Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, and in this video I'll show you how to see profiles on Snapchat. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Snapchat. Make sure you're logged in to your account. If you haven't installed Snapchat yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Next, go to the Friends section. You'll find this at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the chat icon to access your friends list. Step 3. Now, tap on the search icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will allow you to quickly find the person whose profile you want to view. Step 4. Type in the name of the person you want to find. As you type, Snapchat will show you matching results. When you see the person you're looking for, tap on their name. Step 5. Once you tap on their name, their profile will open. Here you can see their Bitmoji, username, and other available details. If they have a public profile, you might also see additional information like stories or highlights. Step 6. To see your own profile, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile section. Step 7. Now tap on Public Profile. If you have created a public profile, you will see this option. Once you're in the Public Profile section, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Step 8. From here, tap on Preview Your Profile. This allows you to see how your profile appears to others. You can check your bio, highlights, and any public content you've shared. That's it. Now you know how to see both your own and other people's profiles on Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.